wanted to touch base with you today about the administrator's role during SST meetings, IEP meetings. We schedule our SST meetings on a day, a block of a day. So as an administrator, I know that on Tuesdays I will be in SST meetings. The assistant principal and I stagger SST and IEP. So for example, in our back to school handbook, we lay out what our week looks like within the school. And Tuesdays are designated for SST days. Wednesdays are designated for PLC days, and Thursdays are designated for IEP days. The assistant principal and I have to divide and conquer because there's just not enough of us to go around. As an administrator, it is critical that I take on a team membership role on that student services team, and I can help front load and front end some of the strategies and initiatives we have in place for boys and girls, and monitor those with teachers, making sure my track is supported and progress monitored, so getting it on the front end before we rush to test. So we want to do all of those things over a period of time and make sure that they're going to work or not. That's why it's critical for an administrator to be a part of that role, to make sure that no child is left behind, that no child is falling between the cracks. Then if it does go to IEP, the assistant principal is there, and that assistant principal's role will be one to have a conversation with the IEP team about testing. Because testing is state mandated, and the assistant principal is the testing coordinator for the school. So those two things really just go hand in hand. That's why we schedule it that way. Again, divide and conquer, but it is critical that an administrator is a part of the student services team on a consistent basis. And so I really have to say to myself, Tuesdays are SST days. And that takes precedence over other things in the building. My role is to be an inputting team member with the student services group.